Hello everyone. This part describes perform a primary standby switchover and the scenarios about GaussDB supports primary standby DN switchover in a shard of an instance when the instance is available. You can promote a standby DN to the primary DN in the shard. Let's start to perform switchover. Look at here, click GaussDB. And click the target instance name to go to the basic information page. In the node list area, click switch primary and standby DNs. Select an AZ to view the DN shot of the primary in the selected AZ. Select the standby DN to be promoted to primary. Interview range and click OK. Select the standby DN to be promoted to primary and wait some seconds. Okay, at here we finish the switchover. As you can see, the previous primary node is root 1, and now the primary node is root 0. Okay, let's finish our switchover. Thanks for listening.